Hello, welcome. Let us discuss about the regular expressions. Regular expressions are also called as regex in short form. Regular expressions are sequence of characters. They are called regular expressions are sequence of characters mainly used for identification of patterns in a string. And define a regular expression as per the below definition. A regular expression, so-called regex, is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. Sequence of characters that define a search pattern, mainly for use in pattern matching with strings. Main uses of regular expressions are validating input, searching, and replacing the text. These are some of the important usages: searching, replacing, validating input. Now let us understand basic syntax or a literal characters. The basic syntax or literal characters match themselves. For example, I have opened a regex101.com here, right? Suppose if I type ABC, it matches exactly here with ABC here, right? This is called literal characters. It means it matches with itself. Here literal characters match themselves. This is a basic syntax of regular expression. Here I have given ABC and it is matching with ABC in this string here. You can write a regular expression using special character dot. This dot matches any single character except new line. It will match a single character except new line. Example, a dot c, it can match abc, adc, a underscore c, etc. For example, if I type here regular expression a dot c, it is matching any character. Wherever dot means it can match any character, but first character should be a and the last character should be c. In between it can be any character. See, for example, here atc, it is matching with atc. Here arc, it is matching. Here arc again. Here atc, abc, it is matching. Here you can see a underscore c, also it is matching. It means dot matches single character. Character can be anything except new line, right? It is matching a single character. Now let us understand about the character classes. Character classes we represent within the square bracket. It matches any one of the character enclosed within the square bracket. For example, if I enter ABC here, it is matching any of this character A, B and C, right? Here it is matching C, A, etc., right? For example, if I let us say instead of ABC, I will type D, E, F, right? Now it is matching E, it is matching E here, it is matching E here, right? It is matching D here, small d as well. If you want to ignore the case, you can make it as case insensitive. If you want to match the capital D as well, then you can mark it, check this case insensitive, right? Then this D is matching for capital D as well, right? And you can also specify range of characters here. For example, here I can specify, say, within the square bracket 0 to 9. It is matching anything between 0 to 9. For example, it is matching 2, 3, 4, right? If I specify here A to Z, right? It is matching all the characters which are in between A and Z. We can specify the range as well here, right? So this is about the character class. Now we also have a predefined character class in regular expression. For example, \d matches any digit 0 to 9. \w matches any word character alphanumeric. backslash yes matches a white space character, space, tab and new line, right? Now let us see. I will enter some number here, 1 2 3 4 something, and there is also a new line character here. All right, I can also give some space here and again give 1 2 3 something, right? And if I type here slash d, then it is matching all the numbers. You can see it is matching with 5 1 2 3 here number and here number, right? So you can use it to match the digit backslash d. Similarly, if you enter slash w, it is matching with the alphanumeric word, any word. It is matching with the any alphanumeric word. It's matching with alphanumeric word characters. Similarly, if I type backslash yes, it is matching with the space. You can see here matching with the space. Also it is new line, it's matching with the new line, space, tab also you can give extra space, it will match here. So these are the predefined character class, right? Backslash d, backslash w and backslash yes. We can specify regular expression using quantifiers as well. Quantifiers we can specify using asterisk sign, we can specify using a plus sign, and we can specify using a question mark. A star matches with 0 or more of the preceding element. It matches with a, and it also matches with the blank here. Here if I specify a plus means one or more occurrence. For example, here one occurrence a, it is matching with one occurrence. If I type here a, one or more occurrence also, it is matching, right? It's matching a capital A also here because we have case insensitive. If I remove this, then it will not match with capital A. So quantifiers, asterisk matches 0 or more of the preceding element. It means it will match with anything starting with A or starting with without A. It's matching anything that is starting with A and either without A as well, including spaces. Everything it is matching. And A plus means at least one A should be there, and it will match anything starting with at least one A. And A question mark means again 0 or 1 occurrence. It is matching with even 0 occurrence as well. Here question mark matches 0 or 1 of the preceding element. Example, A question mark matches with here blank as well, matching with A as well, right? A plus matches with A and so on, one or more occurrence of A. And here star matches with 0 or more occurrence of the preceding element. It matches with a blank, it matches with A, it matches with A, etc. So these are called quantifiers. Now let us understand one more concept called exact quantifiers. We mentioned the exact quantifiers within curly braces matches a specific number of items. Here for example, if I type A and within the curly brace if I type 2, it matches 2 occurrences of A. Means if there is a single A, for example if I type single A here, it will not match. If I type 2 A's, it is matching. It matches wherever there is 2 A's. And if I specify here 2 comma 4, it matches anything between 2 and 4. It matches with 2, it matches for 3 A's also, it matches for 4 A's also, it matches for 4 A's, and if I type again 4 A's, it will match again, right? So it means 2 to 4. And if I leave this one blank, it means 2 or anything more than 2, everything it will match. So within the curly bracket we can specify how many occurrences we want to match. Here it will match A within the bracket 2 means matches all the occurrences where A is occurring 2 times, one after another. It matches all the occurrences of A where A is occurring 2 times consecutively. If I specify 2 comma 4 means all the occurrences of A, whether it is occurring 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Here we can see 2 times also matching, 3 times also it is matching, 4 times also it is matching, right? These are called exact quantifiers. You can specify the range as well, you can specify the exact number as well. You need to use the curly bracket. It matches the specific number of times, matches specific number of times. Now let us understand about one more concept in regular expression called anchors. Anchors we specify using caret or a dollar sign. Caret matches the start of a string. Caret A matches A at the start of the string. Similarly, dollar sign matches at the end of a string. For example, A dollar matches A at the end of the string. For example, if I type here ABC and XYZ, I want to match a line or a string. I want to match a string which is starting with A. Then I can specify caret sign A. See here, this string is starting with A, so one match has occurred here. You can see here, one match. Similarly, if I want to find a string that is ending with Z, then I can specify Z dollar. You can see this is match. It means if you want to match something that is starting, you can use a caret sign. Similarly, match, if you want to do matching at the end of the string, you can use a dollar sign. These are called anchors. These are called anchors in regular expression. Now let us understand about one more concept in regular expression called grouping or alternation. We can use a parenthesis, groups the pattern together. For example, within the parenthesis, if I specify ABC, it is matching all the occurrences of ABC, right? We want to match the group of characters together. Similarly, we have a pipe symbol. It acts as a OR operator. It is called alternation. Example, A or B matches with either A or B. For example, here I can also give A pipe symbol B. It is matching with either A or B. It is matching with A or B. Here A is matching here. You can see A is matching here. Here B also matching here. So it matches with A or B. This is called alternation. And if you want to match a group of characters, then you can use a parenthesis. If you want to match, suppose if you want to match here, I can give C as well. See, it is matching with either A or B or C. So this is called alternation or a OR operator, and this is a parenthesis for grouping purpose. Now let us understand about the escape sequence in regular expression. Suppose there are certain special characters are found in the string and we want to match them literally, then we need to use escape sequence characters. For example, dot has a special meaning. It matches with any of the single character, alphanumeric or even a special character. So we want to match a dot with a dot. Then what we can do is we can use a backslash here. So it is now only matching with the dots. Here dot it is matching, here also dot is matching, here one dot is there, here dot is there, 4 matches. If I remove the backslash, it is matching with everything. It means if we want to consider dot as a literal, we want to match it literally for a dot, then we need to use a backslash. Otherwise it will have a special meaning. If we want to use any character that has a special meaning, then we need to use a